Sometimes as teachers, we wish we had the ability to write directly on our computer screen with whatever program we're using. And now we have that ability with OneNote. OneNote has an amazing feature. It's called Send to OneNote. So when you're in your OneNote notebook, you'll notice that you have a separate icon that looks like a OneNote notebook with scissors on it. That will allow us to create a screen clipping of wherever we are on our computer screen. So I could be in Google and I could say, you know what, I want to look up the best universities in Missouri. And I could say, oh, there is a picture of Mizzou right there. Of course, the best university in Missouri. And I might want to take a clipping of that and use that clipping or use some of these search findings in order to be able to talk about something with my class. I now have that ability. I'm going to grab the little OneNote notebook with the scissors, the Send to OneNote option, and I'm going to take a screen clipping. And I could just capture as much of this computer screen as I want to. And then I have the choice. I can either send it to a location within a OneNote notebook, or I could just copy it to my clipboard. Well, now if I copy it to my clipboard, I actually could put it in any document that I want. It could be a Word document, it could be a PowerPoint, it could be anything. But if I wanted to go into a OneNote notebook, as I click on the little pluses, I can get more specific with what page I want that to go into. So I've created one just in my, I just called it New Section, and I'm going to send this clipping to that location. Now that I've done that, when I click on my OneNote notebook, you're going to notice that this screen clipping that I have is in that location of my OneNote notebook. And the amazing thing is now when I pick up my pen, I can go ahead and just start drawing on this screen and talk about some of those things that would be those teachable moments that I could have with that screen that I was looking at before with my students. OneNote is a wonderful place where I can take those screen clippings and I can now edit them with my students and write on them to give you those in-the-moment teaching opportunities.